Dear listeners, I will discuss on dynamic resistance or AC resistance. According to Ohm's law, V by I is a constant. V is the resistance of a conductor R equal to V by I. And R also is equal to dV by di. To make a clear concept on the dynamic resistance, let us consider an object A is falling under gravity from rest. Certainly it falls with a constant acceleration g. Its velocity is different at different points. The displacement of the object at time t is s equal to half gt square. The velocity at time t v equal to ds by dt, which is gt. That is, the velocity depends on time. ds by dt equal to v, that is gt. ds by dt equal to v equal to gt. That is, ds by dt is a time dependent velocity. It is called instantaneous velocity. S by t is the average velocity. It is average velocity over a range 0 to t. It can be shown in figure 1. Look at the figure. The red line, that is red curve, is a time displacement curve. That is, it is a displacement curve with respect to time, and at time t that is at the point P, the velocity is ds by dt. This is dt and this is ds by dt. It is different at different points. S by t, this is s and this is t. S by t indicates the average velocity, average over the interval 0 to t. We consider a second object B, which is moving with a constant velocity. Its Ts graph is a straight line passing through the origin, as shown in figure. In this case, s by t and ds by dt are the same. A PN junction is a non-ohmic device. Its current voltage curve is shown in figure, the red line, figure 2. It is called the characteristic curve of the PN junction. The resistance of the device increases with the increase of the voltage V. The resistance at V is R equal to dV by di. R is a voltage dependent resistance. It is called variable resistance, and it is also called dynamic resistance, and sometimes it is called AC resistance. But V by I is the average resistance in the interval 0 to V, or in the interval 0 to I. This average resistance is called DC resistance or RDC. For a ohmic conductor, IV curve is a straight line passing through the origin. It is shown in the figure, green straight line. For ohmic conductor, V is proportional to I, or I is proportional to V. Here V by I and dV by di are the same. That is, RDC and RAC are the same. Mathematically, the dynamic resistance RAC is analogous to the velocity of a falling body, and RDC is analogous to the average velocity of the falling object. Finally, RDC equal to V by I and RAC equal to dV by di. Thank you.